Hello everyone. In this session, I will explain Laplace transform of a periodic function and problems related to Laplace transform of periodic functions. Let's see the formula of Laplace transform of periodic function. The formula is Laplace transform of f of t is 1 by 1 minus e power minus st integration t is equal to 0 to capital T e power minus st f of t dt, where f of t is a periodic function. See, f of t plus some period t is equal to f of t. See, Laplace transform of a periodic function f of t. Okay? A function in the form of f of t plus some period capital T is equal to f of t. Then this type of function is called as periodic function. The Laplace transform of the periodic function is 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus s capital T integration t is equal to 0 to capital T e power minus st f of t dt. Yes. Next, we'll see the next problems. Problem number 1. Given f of t is t square and t is in between 0 to 2a and f of t plus capital T is given it as 2a, okay, is equal to f of t. Find Laplace transform of f of t. Problem number 1. Given f of t is t square in between 0 to 2a and capital T is given, that is f of t plus capital T is equal to 2a is equal to f of t. So find Laplace transform of f of t. Find L of f of t. First write the formula. This is our formula, that is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus s capital T. Okay. Capital T is the period. T is equal to 0 to the period capital T e power minus st f of t with respect to t. Okay. I will substitute capital T is equal to 2a. Okay. So 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2a times s. Okay. Capital T is equal to 2a. So 2a times s. Integration t is from 0 to capital T, that's equal to 2a e power minus st, and f of t is given it as t square here, t square with respect to t. Now use integration by parts rule to solve this. Okay. According to I late, first function is the algebraic function, then comes the exponential function. So consider this function as second exponential function and t square as the first function. So Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2as as it is. Now I'm going to integrate by using integration by parts rule, or you can also use Bernoulli's integration by parts rule. Okay, that is first term as it is, integration of second, that is e power minus st, integration is e power minus st by minus s. Alternatively, you should change the sign, that is negative now, plus second term is negative. Differentiation the first term, that is t square, differentiation is 2t. Further integration of second term, that is e power minus st divided by minus s integration. So e power minus st, again you will get minus s, so minus s the square, that is s square. Further, alternatively change the sign, that is plus minus, third term is plus sign. Differentiate the first term, that is 2t differentiation is 2. Okay. Integrate again e power minus st by s square, integration is e power minus st divided by minus s, and s square we have, so it is minus s power 3. For the differentiation of 2, it is 0, so we can stop the Bernoulli's general integration by parts rule here. T is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2a is the limits. So let's substitute the limits. 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus 2as minus 1 by s I will take out. Remaining term is t square e power minus st. Apply the limit 2a to 0. Okay. 2a the whole square, that is 4a square, e power minus 2as by substituting the upper limit, minus I will substitute the lower limit, t is equal to 0, so 0 square is 0, so we will get 0, minus 2 by s square I will take out. Now let's apply t into e power minus st. Apply the limit t equal to 2a to 0, 0 to 2a. So apply the first upper limit. So t is equal to 2a e power minus 2as minus t equal to 0. So whole term vanishes 0 since t is equal to 0 is the lower limit. Minus 2 by s cube taken out, minus 2 by s cube out, e power st minus st limit 2a, so e power minus 2as minus e power t is equal to 0, so e power 0 that's equal to 1. So you can take s cube as a common term and 2 also common here. I will take 2 and s cube outside. Remaining term 1 minus e power minus 2as here, and yes, here minus s square, since we are taken s cube outside we should multiply by s square here, so minus s square 4a square, okay, 4 becomes 2 since 2 is outside, 2a square e power minus 2as minus 2 is taken out, s power 3 taken out, so multiplied by s, 2 into, okay, 2 is taken out already, so we have 2a e power minus 2as, 2a e power minus 2as, 2 by s cube outside, so s is multiplied, and here 2 by s cube outside, so minus e power minus 2as, and again minus into minus, it is plus sign, 2 by s cube outside, so 1. Now your final answer is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 2 by s cube into denominator 1 minus e power minus 2as times, first I will write this term, the last term 1, and minus e power minus 2as I will take out from these three terms, it's a common, and negative sign also common. The remaining terms are 2a square s square, since negative is outside, 2a square s square e power minus 2as outside, and negative is taken out, and 2as remaining, and minus outside e power minus 2as outside, so plus 1. Okay. This one already written as the first term, so this is your final answer for the first problem. Next problem for homework. Find the Laplace transform of the periodic function f of t is equal to t square. Okay, and the limit is from 0 to 2. Instead of 0 to 2a, we have in the previous question 0 to 2a. Here a is equal to 1. Okay, limit is equal to 0 to 2. And function is remain same. So this is the answer you will get. Let's see the third problem. Find the Laplace transform of full wave rectifier. F of t is e sin omega t. T is from 0 to pi by omega, having period pi by omega. The third problem. We have to find Laplace transform of full wave rectifier, given that f of t is e sin omega t and t is from 0 to pi by omega, having period capital T is pi by omega. Find Laplace transform of full wave rectifier f of t is equal to e sin omega t. First write the formula, that is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus st, integrate t is equal to 0 to capital T e power minus st f of t dt. Substitute capital T is equal to pi by omega. So 1 by 1 minus e power minus s times pi by omega. So we can write pi by omega times s. Integrate t is equal to 0 to capital T is pi by omega e power minus st f of t, we have e sin omega t. So e sin omega t with respect to t dt. Okay. Since e is constant, you can take e as a constant, so taken out from the integration. So Laplace transform of f of t, e is taken out, divided by 1 minus e power minus pi s by omega, and we know the integration of e power at sin bt plus c with respect to t is e power at by a square plus b square. The standard formula, a times sin bt minus b times cos bt. Bt plus c is the formula. Here the value of c is equal to 0 and the value of a is equal to minus s and b is equal to omega, sin omega t. So value of b is omega, c is 0, there is no plus c here, and a is equal to minus s. So e power at, that is minus st, divided by a square, that is minus s the whole square, plus b square, that is omega square, times a, that is minus s, sin omega t, minus b value is omega cos omega t, and apply the limits, that is t is equal to 0 to t is equal to pi by omega is the limit. That is e divided by 1 minus e power minus pi s by omega as it is, and denominator one more term, I will take s square plus omega square outside, minus s the whole square is s square plus omega square taken out. Now apply the limits, pi by omega as the upper limit, so e power minus t is equal to pi by omega times s, right? And minus s times sine of omega times pi by omega minus omega times cos of omega times pi by omega, okay? Minus lower limit is t is equal to 0, so e power minus s into 0 or e power 0, e power 0 is 1, and minus s sine 0 minus omega times cos of 0, cos of 0, and close the brackets, that is e by s square plus omega square, keep as it is, into 1 by this term, that is 1 minus e power minus pi s by omega. Now here omega gets cancelled, here also omega gets cancelled, sine of 180 degree, sine pi is equal to 0, and cos 180 is minus 1, and we also know that sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. So substitute here, e power minus pi s by omega times, this vanishes since 0, minus omega into minus 1, that is plus omega, close, minus, here this vanishes since sine 0 is 0, 0 into minus s is 0, minus omega into 1, that is minus omega into minus 1 is minus into minus plus omega. Okay. And omega you can take out since it is a common term, so e omega is taken out, s square plus omega square times the remaining numerator term, this term omega is taken out, remaining term is 1 plus, okay, 1 plus e power minus 5s by omega, divided by denominator we have e power minus 5s by omega. This is the final answer if the question is find Laplace transform of f of t. If suppose they are asked the problem in terms of show that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to some terms in terms of cot function, cot of pi s by 2 omega times e by e omega divided by s square plus omega square. Okay. If suppose it is prove that or show that question, then we should extend. Okay. We have in the last line Laplace transform of f of t as e omega divided by s square plus omega square times 1 plus e power minus pi s by omega divided by 1 minus e power minus pi s by omega. If the question is just to find Laplace transform of f of t, then you can stop up to here. Otherwise, if it is show that Laplace transform of f of t is e omega divided by s square plus omega cot h of as by 2 omega, then we should proceed this problem by multiplying and dividing by e power, multiply and divided by e power positive half of this quantity pi s by omega, that is positive half of pi s by omega, okay. Half times pi s by omega, e power half times pi s by omega, multiply, you will get e omega by s square plus omega square, okay, and multiplied by e power pi s by 2 omega into 1, so e power pi s by 2 omega plus e power pi s by omega with negative sign minus 1 times pi s by omega plus half times pi s by omega. Okay, minus 1 plus half is minus half times pi s by omega. Okay, divided by the same function we have multiplied for the denominator also. So e power pi s by 2 omega minus e power minus 1 times pi s by omega, okay, plus half times pi s by omega. So minus 1 plus half is equal to minus half times pi s by omega. Since minus 1 plus half is minus half times pi s by omega. Now we know that sin h at is e power at minus e power minus at divided by 2, and cos h at is e power at plus e power minus at divided by 2. Okay, so e power at plus e power minus at is 2 times cos h at, and e power at minus e power minus at is 2 times sin h at. Okay, so e omega divided by s square plus omega square as it is, there is no change here. E power at plus e power minus at is 2 times cos h of at, here at is pi s by 2 omega, okay. Pi s by 2 omega is at, divided by denominator having negative sign, e power at minus e power minus at is 2 times sin h of at, at is pi s by 2 omega, so pi s by 2 omega. Now 2 gets cancelled, we will get Laplace transform of f of t as the final answer, e omega divided by s square plus omega square times cos divided by sin, that is cot hyperbolic pi s by 2 omega as is the final answer for the first question. Okay, simplified final answer. Let's move to the second question. Next question. Given f of t is e minus e whenever t is from 0 to a by 2, then f of t is e, and whenever t is a by 2 to a, the value of f of t is minus e, where f of t plus a is equal to f of t, I mean capital T is equal to period, that's equal to a. Show that Laplace transform of f of t is e by s times tan hyperbolic as by 4. Okay, let's solve this problem. As the problem number 4, given f of t as e and minus e when t is in between 0 to a by 2, the value is e. When t is a by 2 to a, the value is minus e. Okay? And capital T is also given, since f of t plus a is equal to f of t, so capital T is a. Show that Laplace transform of f of t is e by s tan hyperbolic as by 2. Okay. Yes. First write the formula, that is Laplace transform of f of t for the periodic function 1 by 1 minus e power minus s capital T, integration t is equal to 0 to capital T e power minus st f of t dt. Okay. Let's substitute, that is 1 by 1 minus e power minus capital T is small letter a, so you will get minus as, integration t is equal to 0 to capital T is a, e power minus st f of t in terms of two terms, okay, 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a, okay, dt. Let's split this f of t, that is Laplace transform of f of t. I have 1 by 1 minus e power minus as. Let's split, integration t is equal to 0 to a by 2 and another integration a by 2 to a. T is equal to a by 2 to a. E power minus st, here also e power minus st. F of t value in the limit 0 to a by 2 is e with respect to t, and f of t value in the limit a by 2 to a is minus e. Let's substitute minus e f of t into dt. That's the right. Now, since e is constant, okay, and that we can take outside the integration, as well as it is a common term, so we'll take it as a common e 1 minus e power minus as. Okay, so integration of e power minus st with respect to t is e power minus st by minus s over the limit t equal to 0 to t equal to a by 2 plus integration, okay, it is minus sign, since minus sign you can take out, so it becomes negative. E power minus st with respect to t, integration is e power minus st by minus s, then substitute the limit a by 2 to a. That is e by 1 minus e power minus as minus 1 by s I will take out. Let's substitute the limit, upper limit. So e power minus a by 2 times s, since t is equal to a by 2 is the upper limit. T is equal to 0 is the lower limit. So e power 0, that's equal to 1. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 1 by s. Let's substitute the upper limit, that is a. So you will get e power minus s into a, or e power minus as. Lower limit, e power minus s into a by 2 or e power minus as by 2. That is e by s is common, you can take out, and 1 minus e power minus as, and minus into minus, this becomes plus. We'll write as a first term, minus into minus plus, minus e power minus as by 2, again minus e power minus as by 2, so minus 2 times these two terms, e power minus as by 2 repeatedly 2 times, and this third term as the last term plus e power minus as. Now e by s, this is in the form 1 square minus 2 into e power minus as by 2 into 1 plus e power minus as by 2 the whole square. So e power minus as you will get. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to e power minus as. A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b the whole square, that is 1 minus e power b is as by 2 that whole square. Similarly, denominator, it's in the form a square minus b square. A is equal to 1, 1 square minus e power minus as by 2 the whole square, that is e power minus as. E power minus as by 2 the whole square is e power minus as. So a square minus b square is a plus b, b is equal to minus as by 2. Okay, that square becomes e power minus as into a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus e power minus as by 2. Here one of the term gets cancelled. That is 1 minus e power minus as by 2 gets cancelled. So finally we will get, right in the next slide, its Laplace transform of f of t is equal to e by s times 1 minus e power minus as by 2 here. Okay. 1 minus e power minus as by 2 divided by 1 plus e power minus as by 2. 1 plus 1 minus e power minus as by 2 divided by 1 plus e power minus as by 2. Okay. Now I need to get the answer in terms of tan h of as by 4. Okay. I will multiply and divide it by e to the power positive half of this quantity. Okay. E power positive half of, so half of as by 2, so as by 4 you will get. Similarly, dividing by e to the power positive half of as by 2, okay, that is as by 4. You will get e by s multiplying e power as by 4 minus e power minus half times as plus 1 by 4 times as, that is minus 1 by 4 times as, divided by 1 into e power as by 4, that is e power as by 4, plus again e power minus half as plus 1 by 4 times as, minus 1 by 2 times as plus 1 by 4 times as, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4 times as. Now e by s, e power 80 minus e power minus 80 is 2 times sine h of 80, 80 is as by 4, divided by e power 80 plus e power minus 80 is 2 times cos h 80, 80 is as by 4, 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to e by s sine by cos, it is tan hyperbolic as by 4. This is the final answer.